We have a log cabin we're working on today. You can see we've cut all the corner logs off, and we've put in new windows, door, and putting on plywood and house wrap over top of the whole thing. And we have a bay window over here that we're going to be demoing and installing a French door. And over the whole thing we are installing insulated vinyl siding and board and batten in the gables and all the overhangs, and then there'll be new gutters put up. Around here you can see another section that's been finished. You got the windows wrapped and the door, the porch ceilings up.